What if I stop thinking and let AI think for me? For one day, I tried replacing my brain with AI. Every study decision, every explanation, every practice test. Instead of thinking first, I asked AI, what should I study today? Explain this topic. Test me. Summarize this. Make it simpler. At first, it felt powerful. No overthinking, no wasted time, and no staring at a blank page. I gave me structure, clarity, and speed. It was like having a super brain working 10 times faster than me. But then something strange happened. When I stopped asking questions, I didn't know what to think. When I didn't understand something, I waited for AI to explain it. I wasn't struggling, but I also wasn't thinking deeply. And that's when I realized AI is powerful, but it's not your brain. If you don't think at all, you get lazy. If you think first and then use AI to improve your thinking, you become dangerous. So, no, you shouldn't replace your brain. You should upgrade it. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. And if you want to see how to actually use AI the smart way for studying, subscribe and check the other videos on this channel.